Hello ladies and gentlemen, my name's Nige. Welcome back to the Hornby Mail. It's Sunday, dinner time, so we've opened up the layout and I want to talk a bit about Hornby sound decoders. These are the TTS versions, the Class 43 HST. They come in a twin pack. And these are the Valenta engine sounds. Now these come already connected to a speaker, so I've disconnected those and fitted bass reflex speakers to them. The amount of functions you get is quite nice, quite good. So this is my HST set. So you fit one in the power car and one in the dummy power car. So we're saying that this is a cold engine, so on here you have the option of a cold start. So if we press cold start first and then engine start, it will chug away, make some knocking noises. So then if we press the cold start off, it will fire into life. There we go. So that's just idling nicely. So we've got a notch up where the engine revs, and we've got a notch down where it goes back to idle. We've got thrash. That's absolutely revving up. Cab door slam, fans coming in, that's quite good. That's the fans going off. Driver's safety. Fire bell test. AS test. That's quite good, yeah. So we'll put some lights on. Like that. And we come in on the front, and the front cab lights lit up, with the driver in there. So I've got a guard's whistle. And we'll get it going. So I think that's quite good. For Hornby TTS Sound, that's quite good, that. I've never found the Steam TTS decoders up to much, but this seems alright. It does. Seems alright. So I hope you like that. Okay. Toodaloo for now. Bye bye.